Welcome back to Top 5 Trey. Today, we're checking out the Logitech Brio Ultra HD 4K webcam, Logitech's classic flagship cam. With 4K resolution, HDR, dual mics, and adjustable field of view, it's an iconic choice. But in 2025, how well does it still perform? Let's find out. Reminder, all the gear we talk about today is linked in the description, so scroll down if you'd like to check it out yourself. The Brio is compact, about 4 inches wide and barely 1 inch tall. It has a glass lens and a detachable clip that can be removed to access a standard tripod thread. The body is lightweight plastic and feels modest, though solid for its class. You can flip a ring to slide a privacy shutter over the lens. A nice small touch. It supports 4K at 30 frames per second and 1080p at 60 frames per second, but requires USB 3.0 for full quality modes. Out of the box, it delivers sharp footage with clean detail in good lighting. In low light, however, it can look grainy and soft, even with Logitech's RightLight 3 HDR auto adjustment, so it often needs extra lighting to look its best. You can use Logitech Capture or G-Hub to adjust the field of view between 65 degrees, 78 degrees, or 90 degrees, and apply up to 5 times digital zoom within apps like OBS or Capture. This makes it flexible for streaming, meetings, or document presentations. The Brio includes dual beamforming microphones with basic noise reduction. While usable for meetings and video calls, the mic sound is still muddy and thin compared to a standalone headset mic. It can work for casual use, but serious streamers or creators usually pair it with a dedicated mic. You can use Logitech Capture or G-Hub to tweak the image, adjust white balance, brightness, exposure, field of view, and switch between formats like MJPEG, NV12, or YU/Y2. But note, most settings don't stick when you unplug or reboot the device. HDMI Capture or OBS gives more control, especially for color settings and field of view persistence. Some users report flickering or grainy output in dim lighting, especially under LED office lights, an effect tied to the 30 FPS shutter syncing with lighting frequencies. Audio vocals often lack richness unless using a separate mic. Pro's True 4K at 30 frames per second / 1080p at 60 frames per second, excellent for high-quality streaming or video capture. Adjustable field of view and digital zoom up to 5 times for framing flexibility. Built-in dual mics with beamforming for casual calls and conferencing. Privacy shutter and tripod mount make it versatile for desk or travel setups. Cons: low light performance can be grainy, even with RightLight HDR. Mic sound is not premium. Budget users may want a standalone mic. Requires USB 3.0 and MJPEG format to hit full resolution. Otherwise, defaults to lower frame rate, clarity. Some users experience image flicker or shutter sync issues with certain lighting. The Logitech Brio 4K isn't the absolute top-tier webcam in 2025 anymore, but it still holds firm as a classic choice, especially for content creators who need sharp resolution, adjustable framing, and a privacy shutter. It works best when paired with good lighting and a separate mic setup. If you're focused on pro-quality image and software, consider the newer Logitech MX Brio, which has improved sensors and enhanced software tweaks at a similar price point. But if you already have a Brio or find one on sale, it's still a strong performer for streaming and video calls. If this video helped you, hit that like button. New here? Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. You deserve the best gear advice. Out of your top 5 webcam picks this year, this one's solid for quality-conscious users. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace out.